morning, my dear students. Today I will explain the Indian history 4.1 Ancient Period or the Vedic culture. After the fall of Indus Valley civilization, the Aryas came to power. Aryas. Aryas. Who were Aryans? Why they came to India? What is the condition of what is the political, economic and social, science and education condition of the Aryas? So Aryas, they are not Indian. They are nomad peoples. What is the origin of the Aryas? Now let us study Vedic culture. According to your chapter, Aryas, they are believed that they came from northwest direction. Northwest direction. Aryas, they came from which direction? Northwest direction in 2000 BCE. So when they came to India means they came to India in 2000 BCE. Next, Vedas. Vedas are the greatest contribution of Aryas. Who introduced the Vedas means Aryas. Aryas were composed the Vedas. It's the very greatest contribution of Aryas. Which one means Vedas? Hence, they are called to the Vedic culture. When the Aryas were introduced the Vedas, after they are called to the Vedic culture. Next point, origin. Aryas origin. So already I told that Aryas were origin. Origin. Aryas, they are not Indians, they are nomad people. I told that Aryas came from northwest direction. Which is the origin of the Aryas? Aryas, they came from Caspian. Aryas, they came from Central Asia in Caspian Sea. Caspian Sea. So where Caspian Sea? In Central Asia. One last question. Aryas origin home Caspian Sea in Central Asia. They came from Central Asia. Some historians is the controversy. Some historians were told that Aryas came from Central Asia, and some historians were told that Aryas came from Tibet. Some historians were told that Aryans were Indians. It's the controversy. It's not a particular home. So Aryas, majority of the historians will introduce Aryas came from the Central Asia. Next, Central Asia. Next one, Aryas were settled on the bank of the river Sindhu. Aryas were settled on the bank of the Sindhu or Sapta Sindhu. Sapta Sindhu. Sapta means how many? 7 rivers. So Aryas came from Central Asia. They came to settle in Sapta Sindhu on the bank of the river Sindhu or the Sapta Sindhu. Sapta Sindhu means 7 rivers. What are the 7 rivers means? Jhelak, Jeenak, Bias, Ravi, Satluj, Saraswati and Vishadvati. These are the 7 rivers. So when the Aryas were settled on the bank of the river Sindhu means, what is the main occupation of the Aryas means? Agriculture. What is the main occupation of the Aryas? Agriculture is the main occupation of the Aryas. Next, when they settle on the bank of the river Sindhu, that area is called to the Aryavata. So North Indians, North India, majority of the Aryans were settled in North India. That area, that region is called the Aryavata or Aryas land. Next, Arya means, one last question, what is the meaning of the Aryas? Arya means noble. One last question. Noble or masters. What is the meaning of Aryas? Arya means noble or the master, and one more important, a person depending on agriculture. What is the meaning of Aryas means? Arya means a noble or a master, and one more, a person depending on a agriculture. Next, already I told that who were introduced the Vedas means Aryas. Aryas were introduced the Vedas. Next, Veda. What is the meaning of the Veda? What is the meaning of the Veda? Vedas. Veda. Veda is derived from which word means Sanskrit. Sanskrit word. Veda is derived from Sanskrit word Ved, that means knowledge. Knowledge. Veda is derived, one more question, Veda is derived from Sanskrit word Ved. What is the meaning of the Ved means? Knowledge. Next, Aryas were composed the Vedas. How many Vedas means? There are 4 Vedas. 2 marks question. Aryas were composed to the Vedas. It is derived from Sanskrit word Ved, that means knowledge. So Vedas, how many Vedas means? There are 4 Vedas. First one Rig Veda, second one Yajurveda, third one Samaveda, fourth one Atharvaveda, fourth one Atharvana Veda. How many Vedas? So 2 marks question. How many Vedas means? There are 4 Vedas. First one the Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda and Atharvana Veda. Rig Veda is the first Veda. Rig Veda is the first. Which is the first Veda means? Rig Veda is the first Veda after Yajurveda, Samaveda and Atharvana Veda. 3 Vedas existed. Rig Veda is the first Veda means they are divided into the 2 parts. Vedas, they are divided into the Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda and Atharvana Veda. In that part, they are divided into the first Veda is the Rig Veda. This period is called early Vedic period. Early Vedic period. So Rig Veda is the first period. That period is called to the early Vedic period. After the 3 Yajurveda, Samaveda and Atharvana Veda is called later Vedic period. Later Vedic period. Are you understood, my dear students? So Rig Veda is the first Veda. That period is called to the early Vedic period. After Yajurveda, Samaveda and Atharvana Veda is called to the later Vedic period. They are divided into the 2 parts. Early Vedic period and later Vedic period. Are you understood? Next, silent futures of Aryas. What are the silent futures of Aryas? Once again, shall I repeat? What is next? Aryas. Aryas, they came from Central Asia in 2000. Aryas, they came from Central Asia in 2000 BCE. Arya means a noble or the master or the person depending on agriculture. Veda means Veda is derived from Sanskrit word Ved. Ved means knowledge. How many Vedas means? There are 4 Vedas: Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda and Atharvana Veda. Next to silent futures. What are the silent futures? Silent futures. Silent futures of Aryas. What are the silent futures of Aryas means? That already I told that political condition, social condition, economic condition, and science and education. In that first point, political condition. Political condition. What is the political condition of Aryas? So already I explained that Rigveda period is called to the early Vedic period. After 3 Vedas is called to the later Vedic period. Political condition. What is the political condition of Aryas? Means Aryans were tribals. They are settled into the one group. Aryans group is called to the tribes. Aryans group is called to the tribes. Tribes, they settle in India. Aryans tribes were settled into the India. They are called Janas. Janas. Aryans were tribes. They are settled into the India. They are called the Janas. Rajan was the head of the Janas or the tribes. Who was the head of the tribes? Means Janas. Who was the head of the Janas? Means Rajan was the head of the Janas. Next, Rajan, he was the head of the tribes. Rajan, he was assisted to Purohita, Sangrahatri, Senapati, Vishpati and Gramini. Rajan was assisted for the administration purpose to assist it to the Purohita, Sangrahatri, Senapati, Vishpati and Gramini. So in that Grama was the very small unit of the administration. Which is the very small unit of the administration? Means Grama. Gramini was the head of the Grama. Who was the head of the Grama? Means Gramini was the head of the Grama. Next, the primary duty. Rajan, kings. What is the main duty of the king? Means to protect their kingdom, and they protect their peoples, and also they are collecting from the gift to other kings. They are collecting from the gift from the tribals, or they are protect their kingdom. Next to Sabha, 2 marks question. Samiti. They are the 2 assemblies to assisted by the king. What are the two assisted for the administration? Means they are the 2 assemblies were assisted to Sabha and Samiti. There are 2 Sabha and Samiti were assisted to the king for the administration purpose. So these are the early Vedic period. Early Vedic period. Are you understood? Early Vedic period means Aryans were tribals. They settled into the Indians. They are called Janas. Rajan was the head of the tribal. Raja was assisted for the Purohita, Sangrahati, Senapati, Vishpati, Gramini. Grama was the smallest unity. Gramini was the head of the Grama. The king was collected they collected for the tribals and also tribals and Sabha and Samiti are the 2 assemblies. Next now we go to study the later Vedic. Now we know that early Vedic period. Now we go to study the later Vedic period. My dear students, next class I will explain to the later Vedic period. Thank you.